Welcome to an amazing underwater adventure. Today we will explore the deep blue sea and meet many incredible ocean creatures. From the gentle whale shark and playful dolphin to the tiny seahorse and colorful reef fish. Butterfly. Some butterflies live near coasts and feed on salty minerals. Their wings are covered in tiny scales that reflect colorful light. Butterflies taste food using their feet. Stingrays have flat bodies that help them hide in the sand. They use their long tails for protection. They mostly eat shellfish, crabs, and small fish. Crab. Crabs walk sideways because of the shape of their legs. They have a hard shell called a carapace that protects their body. There are over 4,000 different species of crabs in the world. Turtle. Sea turtles can hold their breath underwater for hours. They return to the same beach where they were born to lay eggs. Some sea turtles can live for more than 80 years. Seahorse. Seahorses are one of the only animals where the male carries the babies. They use their tails to hold on to sea plants. Despite their size, they are strong swimmers in calm waters. Shark. Sharks have been living in the ocean for over 400 million years. They have multiple rows of teeth that grow back quickly. Some sharks can sense the heartbeat of nearby fish. Squid. Squids have 3 hearts that pump blue-colored blood. They can squirt ink to confuse predators. Some squids can glow in the dark using bioluminescence. Walrus. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of icy water. They can sleep while floating in the sea. A thick layer of fat called blubber keeps them warm. Red lizard. The marine iguana of the Galapagos Islands is the only sea lizard. It can dive underwater to eat seaweed. Its red color appears during the mating season. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. It eats tiny plankton by filtering seawater through its mouth. They are gentle giants and safe for humans. Dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent and can recognize themselves in mirrors. They use echolocation to find food in dark waters. They live in groups called pods and help each other hunt. Shark. Different shark species range from tiny ones to huge predators. Some sharks must keep swimming to breathe. Sharks play an important role in keeping the ocean balanced. Orca, killer whale. Orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family. They hunt in groups called pods, using teamwork. Each pod has unique sounds like a family language. Crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest reptiles in the world. They can live in both rivers and seas near coasts. They have the strongest bite force of any animal on Earth. Starfish. Starfish can regrow arms if they lose one. They have no brain or blood, but use seawater to move. There are about 2,000 different starfish species. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide heads that improve their vision. They can detect tiny electric signals from hidden fish. They often swim in groups called schools. Lobster. Lobsters can live for more than 100 years. They taste food using tiny hairs on their legs. Their shells can turn bright red only after cooking. Marlin. Marlins are one of the fastest fish in the ocean. They have a long, sharp bill to slice through water. Some marlins can leap high out of the water when hunting. Colorful fish. Colorful reef fish use bright patterns to hide among corals. Their colors can warn predators that they are poisonous. Many colorful fish live in tropical coral reefs around the world.